guys, so today we will be making a bouncy ball just using a cup, some vinegar, and an egg. So let's get started. So the first step is just to pour the vinegar in so that it completely can cover the egg. So I think that can cover the egg, can't it? So now we will just slowly pop the egg right in. And we will put it in a safe spot, and we will check back on it in the next 24 hours. And keep in mind that it can take up to 72 hours, so please be patient. Okay guys, so it's been 24 hours and really nothing has happened to the egg. I think just bubbles are around it and it's just foam. So, but what we are expecting is kind of like white flakes kind of coming off of the egg. So if that's so I'm gonna continue to wait because that hasn't happened to me yet. But if that happens to you, then I recommend you still wait with me. But really nothing has happened, and I'm gonna wait another 24 hours, and I'll see you then. Bye. Alright, so it has been another 24 hours, and lots of stuff has happened overnight, and as you can see, some like yellow, yellow mold kind of is kind of like the shell is kind of coming off. And over here, the shell came off, and over here, the shell came off. So that means that the egg is ready, but just to be on the safe side, I am going to wait maybe another 12 to 24 more hours. And I'm gonna wait for the shell to come off a little bit more, and then I'll give you directions for how you can redeem your bouncy ball. Okay guys, so there's been another 24 hours and it's just molding even more. The crust is just coming out even more. So I think it might be ready. So now I'm gonna tell you how to redeem your egg. Okay guys, so now we are gonna take the egg out of the vinegar and gently rub the shell kind of out of the egg in some tap water. And remember, you have to do it gently or else you might pop the egg. Then you will have your egg, and I will see you then. Bye. Guys, it's fun and bouncy, but what really makes it bouncy and everything, and why does it become rubbery? Well, when I put the egg into the vinegar is a type of acid. It's called acetic acid, and the acetic acid dissolves the shell and leaving the membrane inside, which makes the egg kind of bouncy and rubbery. But guys, before I finish this video off, I'm gonna show you guys how to cut the egg, and it feels super awesome. So I'm just gonna cut. Oh, it feels so weird. It's like the yolk is like so cool, and it's like paper. It's very it's like a cool. Wow. If you like this video, guys, if you like this video, like it. And if you want to know want to know more from my future videos, subscribe it. Bye.